Hey everyone, it's June, and summer is just starting in Italy. But June 2nd is extra special. It's Festa della Repubblica, a really important day for Italians. It's the day Italy decided to become a republic instead of a monarchy. This changed everything for the country. It's a day to think about the past, be happy about today, and look forward to the future. Italians everywhere remember what people did to make Italy free. Festa della Repubblica is a big party. Think of it like a mix of history, culture, and being proud to be Italian. There are parades, flags everywhere, and everyone is celebrating together. It's not just about something that happened a long time ago. It's about new beginnings, how democracy won, and how strong Italians are. This day reminds us that freedom isn't free. People fought hard for it, and we should never forget that. To really understand Festa della Repubblica, we need to go back in time to after World War II. Italy was a mess. The war destroyed lots of things, and the country was still dealing with the bad things that happened when Mussolini was in charge. Things were tough. The economy wasn't doing well, no one knew what would happen next, and everyone felt down. Mussolini was gone in 1943, but things didn't get better right away. The war wasn't over for Italy yet. The Allies were fighting against what was left of the Nazis, and Italy was stuck in the middle. The country was divided, and everyone was trying to understand what happened during the war. When the war finally ended, Italians had a big decision to make. Many people didn't trust the monarchy anymore because it was connected to Mussolini. Everyone wanted a fresh start. After the war, people really wanted things to change. They wanted to rebuild Italy and make it a democracy, a place where everyone is free and works together. But there was a big question: should Italy keep its king or become a republic? It wasn't the politicians or the king who decided, it was the people. On June 2, 1946, millions of Italians voted. They chose between the monarchy and a republic. It was a huge deal because everyday people got to decide what would happen to their country. This vote was about way more than just who was in charge. It was about Italy's future. It was a chance to leave the bad times behind and start a new democracy. On that day in June, Italians voted to get rid of the monarchy and become a republic. This was big news. It was the start of something completely new. The monarchy, which had been around for a long time, was over. The last king, Umberto II, left, and a group of people got together to write a new constitution for Italy. This group had people from all over the country, so it represented everyone. It showed how democracy works. Regular people helped create the rules of the country. Changing from a monarchy to a republic wasn't easy. Italy was still divided, and the war had left its mark. But even with all the problems, people still had hope. They chose democracy, and they were going to make it work. In 1948, after lots of talking and planning, the group finished the new constitution. It was different from any other constitution. It was made because of the war, and it was all about democracy, equality, and fairness. This constitution was important not just for Italy, but for all of Europe after the war. The Constitution said that everyone in Italy has rights, no matter who they are or what they believe. Everyone has the right to vote, to say what they think, and to get an education and healthcare. It said that work is important and that everyone should be treated fairly. This constitution was a huge step for Italy. It was the end of becoming a democracy. It showed how strong people can be when they work together, and it showed that a better future is possible. The Italian Constitution is still important today. It reminds us of peace, unity, and working together. It's a big part of what Festa della Repubblica is all about.